Hey guys, so today in the mail, I got something really cool.
Whatever. I got the pot of gold bread.
Hold on.
Don't leave me alone with this thing.
Hold on a second, guys. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Today I got the Doctor Who 12th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. The second sonic screwdriver, so the second one. Of course, it doesn't say second sonic screwdriver on here. It says Doctor Who sonic screwdriver, 12th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. Of course, it says the 720 version. Of course, I already took the twist ties out. I already washed it once, so let's go ahead to get out of the packaging. There's the packaging. Here it is itself. It did come with instructions. Right here. Here are the instructions. Right here.
Oh, great. Thanks to your curse, we can no longer use our holy bathroom. True, but...
Here's the Sonic itself.
Oh, no.
Love it already. I've been playing around with it, taking the test drive. Love it already.
Oh, my God. Everything we had is...
Its tar is blue. It's really awesome.
Not everything.
Here's the light for it.
The one thing that matters most. Friendship? Oh, the pot of gold bread.
Green.
Come on, Yputube. Let's go find Jenny Quackles and show off how.
Go down twice. Right here, this is how you use it.
You gotta check out this
Down. Green is up is the other one.
Whoa, right, Bob? You just got hit in the head with a TV.
Don't tap it down. Get the chase mode. And then we'll tap it up. On its own. It is a lot bigger. I love it. This is one that Peter probably uses to be the Doctor in the show. The terrorist launches it and gives it to him. It's really comfortable to hold than the last one that I had. It was a lot more comfortable than this one. Was a lot more comfortable than the last one. And Matt Smith's sonic screwdriver. You get to the batteries, you would twist this off, pull it down, which I couldn't get it to do that because I want to break it. It does feel comfortable. Opening it is really good. The sounds and everything that's in it is really cool. Even that. It looks cool in the dark.
Okay, Sweetie. We're gonna apologize to the nice leprechaun, and then we're gonna give back the bread. I'm totally with you. Except for the
That's the coolest thing ever.
What?
Love it. Like I said, it is a 720 version. The 720 version is good. If you want the regular one, like if you go on the one website and you see this one, and it doesn't say 720, it goes like the regular one, it would probably